When you have your editing done and your transitions in, then it's time for you to add some sort of title and credits to your movie. Now, sometimes when you want to add a title, you want it to be over top of a piece of video that's already there, a clip that's already there. Other times you want it to be in front of or start before. So in this instance, I'm going to go ahead and add it above this. I need my graphics layout here. And here I can click on Edit Text, which is simply adding here new text. This is probably the easiest way to do it. And I can, whoops, let me try, I lost my, so in order for you to change the text, make sure that text layer is selected. You are then going to click on the type tool and click in that type layer. And if you Control A, it selects the text that's already in there, and then you can type the title. This is my title. Okay, and again, if you select it, you can specify a color. So it has a red fill. I can even give it a stroke if I wanted, and I'm just choosing some random colors. They don't necessarily look good together. I can increase the stroke size, and I could even give it some sort of a drop shadow. Here I have the ability to change the font, and then I can use the arrow to move it where I want it. Okay, so if I wanted this to be before, I would need to, whoops, I went the wrong way. I would need to shrink my timeline and move my video clips so that this appears before everything, or I could leave it over the top. Now, you also have the ability to not just add text, but you can browse and you can add some pre-formatted credits or titles. So if I wanted to do that, I could. And again, oh, whoops. And it says it doesn't like our type kit for some reason. Just click OK. It's going to replace the type with whatever we have. So again, I'm going to click on that, get my type tool, and these are lots of different pieces of type. So you kind of have to play to figure out, whoops, that actually wasn't one. Oh yeah, it was. There it was. You have to play to figure out which one you are using. So some of that is not necessarily so easy to figure out which box goes with what. Okay, sometimes it might be easier just to add your own. But if you look here, when you use those pre-formatted ones, it actually tells you which one. You can use the eyeball to hide something. And notice I selected that, and now I can go in and change the text based on that selection. Okay, so that's an easy way to do title and credits.